খোলা আছে, এটাও খোলা আছে। ও যদিও আজকে শুক্রবার, আমি তো শুক্রবার সাধারণত খাই না, কিন্তু আজকে শুধু আজকে আমি সকালে খাবো, রাত্রে খাবো, শুধু আজকে, মানে শুক্রবার আমি এমনি দুবেলাই খাই না, কিন্তু আজকে সকালে খাবো না। Good morning, all of you. In today's session of class 9 maths, we are going to go back to the topic of recurring decimal. Rational numbers can be terminating decimal, they can also be recurring decimal. So this is your homework. This is your homework. This is your homework for the next session. Next homework session will be Saturday 9 p.m. So first question is 0.163 recurring. The bar means recurring, like 0.1636363, like that. Second question 0.54 recurring, that means 0.54444. Third question 0.17 recurring, that means 0.1777. Then 0.324 recurring, that means 0.324324 like that. 3.14 recurring, that is 3.141414 like that. You have to convert all of them to fraction. This is your homework. This is the homework for Saturday 9 p.m. Okay. Now I'll just show you how to do these type of sums. So let's have a look at one sum. 0.245 recurring. Okay, let's see this sum. 0.245 recurring. So you just say x equal to 0.245. Then you multiply 0.245 recurring. So 0.2454545 like that. Then 10x will be 2.454545 like that. Then you multiply both sides with 100. So 245 plus 0.454545 like that. Then you subtract these two. So 990x is equal to, if you subtract these two, then the entire 0.454545 part will go, and you are just subtracting these two, which is 243. So x will be 243 by 990. This is the answer. So how to do this type of sums? Again, let me summarize. You have to take that particular number as x, and it's a recurring decimal. So if it is 0.245 recurring, that means it is 0.2454545 like that. You have to first, basically you have to extract the recurring part out of that x. You have to get rid of that. So to get rid of that, you have to first step make sure that whichever is not recurring, that is somehow taken out. So 2 is not in the recurring. So if you multiply by 10, then it will become 2.454545. So you have taken 2 out of the recurring. Then you multiply with 100, so that you can now do one thing. The first recurring, take it out, like 4, 5, you take it out. So 245, and then again the recurring. Now this, the second and third step, when you subtract them, the recurring part will totally go away, and whatever is left will give you the answer. This is how you have to do. That means in every sum, you have to concentrate on taking out the non-recurring part first, and then the first recurring part you take it out, and then you subtract. This is what you have to do in every sum, right? So let's have a look at, so this is example number 1. Let's have a look at another example, example number 2. So 0.5 0.57 recurring. Okay, so it is 0.577777. So now what you do is you first multiply both sides with 10. Why? So that the non-recurring part can be taken out. So if you multiply both sides with 10, then 10x will be 5.777. So that non-recurring part 5 will come out. Then you multiply both sides with another 10. So you multiply both sides with another 10. Why? Because I told you after you have taken out the non-recurring part, you have to take out the first recurring part. So there are so many 7s, so take out one of them. So if you multiply 10x with 10, then the first 7 will come out. So 10x is 5.777, 100x is 57 plus 0.777. Now you draw a line and subtract. So 99x, and now you are going to subtract. So when you are subtracting, this part will get cut out, and 57 minus 5 is 52. So x will be 52 by 99. So this is how you have to do. So just remember, in every sum, first multiply with 10 or 100, anything, but take out the non-recurring part. Then multiply with 10 or 100, whichever is required, to take out the first recurring part. And those two equations, if you subtract, then you will be totally rid of the recurring part. That is what is your target. Get rid of the recurring part. And the next line you will get the answer. Right? So this is the technique how to convert recurring decimal to fraction. And these are your 5 homeworks. Your homework has to be submitted by 9 p.m. of Saturday. There is no homework session today. The next homework session is tomorrow, Saturday, 9 p.m. Okay? I'll end the meeting. Bye all of you.